Hey guys, I'm in Youngstown, Ohio at the recently announced to be closing Schwebel's. This is the offices, there's the outlet across the street, and the factory's right there. After 120 years in operation, they are liquidating. They also have factories in Ontario, Ohio, that's Mansfield, and they have one in Hebron, over by Columbus. And I remember when I used to live around Cuyahoga Falls, they had a factory there, but that closed in 2019. It had this sweet smell that would waft out of it, and everybody loved it. They loved driving past the Schwebels for the sweet bakery smell. I mean, this is a well-loved brand. This is a major hit to Youngstown. They will be closing by July 4th. This absolutely sucks. They also got a lot of outlets in various locations.
Yeah.
But yeah, they've been struggling for a while, and this is it for them. I don't know. This sucks, so I just wanted to get on the scene and get reporting. Let's go walk around and see what we find.
Hell yeah.
Gotta love that sign. I mean, Youngstown, you know, they can't really afford to lose a lot more. I know we can't really get in here, but I think it's fun to look at it. Yeah, they've been all back offices over there. Oh, I gotta be a little nosy. I love cubicles.
Wow. This is
The Schwebel cubicles. Yeah, right there across the street, they got the outlet.
okay, this is Look, there's people on work right now.
Oh, there's their break room.
They're working right now.
Let's look at the factory. Yeah, this is.
You want to drive around the building? I thought it was in
Here's the back of it. The sweet bread smell. Trucks are running. I can't believe it. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. There's human resources where you would walk in to get a job. Yeah, that's it. I guess some of the facilities were outdated, hard to keep up with, hard to maintain. They're saying there's Sunday brunch here. I'm really not so sure about that. I can't see in there, but I'm sure there's not Sunday brunch in there. Doesn't seem like there is. So here is the outlet. And I'm too late to go in there. But Yeah, still open for a couple more weeks. There's a couple other trucks. No pets. I mean, they're not closed yet, but it's almost like looking into an abandoned building. Yeah. That sucks. Oh, I guess they got their trucks back there as well. Yeah. Oh, there's a mural on here. Let me look at that. Cool. I almost was gonna miss that. Oh, check that out. That's awesome. Originated in Youngstown. That is cool. Check out this mural. There's the stadium I was in. That's awesome. This is my favorite. Oh, Idora Park. There's the bridge from the Mill Creek. There's Lanterman's Mill. Stambaugh. These other buildings I can't really identify, but wow. Back rooms. Yeah. Wow. All right, guys, what do you think about Schwebel's closing? That is absolutely devastating. That's not what we need. I thought I would report on the scene, show you guys what's going down in these last couple of weeks. Yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next video.